Hi everyone, my name is Aman Kumar and today I'm gonna show you a live SEO project. Today I will show you how to do SEO on a live blog. But before I start this video, let's talk about some terms that I'm gonna use more frequently in this video. The first one is volume. What is volume? Volume is like how many people search this query or a keyword every month on an average, right? So if you see a volume column while doing keyword research, do not worry, it is just like how many people are searching that particular keywords. Let's talk about KD. KD is like keyword difficulty level, how difficult it is to rank a keyword. Let's suppose you're doing keyword research and in any tool you see this KD column. So what this KD column do? They just indicate you how dangerous or how hard it is to work on this keyword, right? So that is a KD. Now CPC means cost per click. That means if you see a CPC column while doing keyword research, that means that is the amount or you can say a price you will get when you create a website on that particular topic, right, through the ads. Now domain authority and page authority. What is domain authority? That means how powerful your domain is or your website is, and page authority, how powerful your page is. Simple. So in this session we'll do a full keyword research, we'll do brainstorming of the keyword, we'll try to find a seed keyword, then we'll try to list down some keywords, try to find a main keyword, and after that we'll do content writing, we'll take help of ChatGPT also, we'll list down some LSIs, try to add those LSIs to our content, and we'll do everything on this live video. So let me show you how to do keyword research. So right now I'm using this tool called Google Keyword Planner. It is completely free. So I'm going to show you both the methods with the free tool also and the paid tool also. So first I'm going to use this free tool by the official Google. It is called Google Keyword Planner. Let me do a keyword research. So my website is all about printer, and specifically I talk about Canon printers. So I want some more keywords. Now I already have lots of topics about Canon printer already. Now I do not know what to post here now. So let's do some more keyword research and let's see what we can do. Canon printer, and from here I will select the all location and not a particular country, because this is an informational keyword, and informational, that means anyone in this world can see my website, read my website. If I would have a product based website, I will choose a country, state or a city, because it depends on my company where I can just ship the product, right? So I'll click on get result. Let's see. Now we have some ideas from here. You can see it says Canon Selfie CP1 1300. This is a kind of some printer, and the volume is also good, right? 10,000 to 100K. Now we have Canon Pro 200 also, 100K to 10K to 100K. So right now we cannot just directly start working on a big keyword, right, or any competitive keyword where competition is so high, because we are a new website. We cannot just jump into like on a like highly competitive keywords, right? So let's try to find some short keyword and long tail keyword. Let's see. Okay, so this one 1K to 10K, still the high. So I mostly work on Canon PicSmart TS series. So this is a series of a model of a printer. So let me just do some more research. Canon TS. Only I just want to know keywords about TS related model of this printer. Let's see what Google gonna show us. Okay, we have TS3450. Okay, and the searches is also very high, right? Very high it is actually. Let's see if there is any competition or not. So I'll just try to copy this and let me search in the Google. Okay, so now when you type a keyword in Google, you have to first find out the intent of the keyword, right? Because let's suppose if I type this keyword, right, I might just find this keyword as a commercial keyword or maybe transactional keyword. But how to make sure like this is really a commercial or transactional keyword is when you do a Google search result with this keyword, you will find top 5 website. Try to analyze what those websites are doing. If I type this keyword, I see Canon official website is here. Let me open this one. same Canon Europe. Then there is a Amazon website. Let me open this one. Then we have this video section. Then there is one more website and one more. So let's see. So this website shows us an option to buy the printer. That means this is a shopping website. Let's go to the second one. Amazon, still a shopping website. Third one, still I think a shopping website. Okay, and this one is also a shopping website. Okay, add to cart option is here. Okay, so that means this is a transactional keyword. So this is how you make sure if this keyword is right or not, if you have find a right intent or not, right? Because Google knows better. If you write the keyword and they're ranking the some website, that means they know what people are searching, and after searching this keyword, what type of result they want. That is how they are ranking these website, right? Okay, so this is completely like shopping keyword. So we'll not take this keyword directly. Why? Because on my website I do not sell printers. I provide informations only about the printer, like how to reset, how to set up, a review of the printer, etc, etc. I do not sell them, so I cannot just directly use this keyword. So let's find some more related keyword about this. So how to find? You can use this tool, Google itself. When you press spacebar, you have some more keywords related to this topic, right? So this keyword, whoever is searching this keyword, they want to buy the printer maybe, right? As you can see with the result. But there are some more suggestions by Google that people are also searching related to this topic, which is Canon PIXMA TS3450 ink review manual printer driver setup. So if I click on review, now you can see there is a website on the top. Second website is here, third one is here. Let's see. The first website is by, okay, so first website is complete informational website. That means this keyword is a good keyword for us, for website like I have, right, where I post only information. I do not just sell products there, right? So this is the keyword for me. Okay, now second, there was an Amazon. Now you think like, okay, Amazon is ranking, that means Google is ranking Amazon on this keyword, that means people want to buy the product. No, if you see, if I open this Amazon page, it is not going to the product page, it is going to the review section only. You cannot see the buy option or something like this here, because Google is listing only those website. So this is my intent. My intent is to search Canon PIXMA review. Now Google understand what is my intentions are. I want to read the review. I do not want to buy it. I do not want to set it up. I just need reviews. So they're gonna list down only those websites which are providing reviews or information about this printer. So let's make a sheet quickly. I will make a list, keyword, okay. Now we have a keyword, this one, and this keyword is like people are searching, and this is what we post on our website, right? And if you want to find some more keywords, simply what you can do, you can just add a space bar here. Now you have lots of keyword. All right, from here I'm going to copy this one. Now we have a list of keywords. The first one is Canon PIXMA TS3450 review. Second one is ink, manual, printer, driver, setup, etc, etc. Now if you see the first keyword is a complete keyword. The second one is not a complete keyword. Why? Because if someone is searching Canon PIXMA TS3450 ink, maybe they will search on a different way also, like how to insert ink, how to remove cartridge, ink cartridge, right? So like this. So you have to complete this keyword. So let me see how we can find some more keyword about the ink, right? Now you can see people are also searching ink replacement, inkjet, change ink, right? So let's find some more relative keywords. You can say inkjet printer, ink cartridge, right? So from here you get the idea and you make a list like what people are searching, or you type how and then add a modifier, how to add Pixma printer to laptop, how to use Canon Pixma ink, how to connect Canon Pixma ink. Okay, so these are the keywords that people are searching, right? So this is how you make a list of keywords, right? And you select your main keyword. So this is a keyword because I talk about the same things like Canon Pixma TS207 review I'm talking here. So I find a keyword for myself and I can just write some more information inside my article, or either I can create a one more blog. So this is the free method how you find a keyword. Or if you want to find some more keywords, you can just take help of Google. Simply go to Google and search the same keyword again, which is Canon Pixma TS3450, and you can use modifiers like how and then add an asterisk. Then you can see a lot of keywords are here. How to connect Canon Pixma TS3450 to Wi-Fi, how to scan, how does Canon printer work, can't connect to this Pixma printer, or you can try to change it to what ink for Canon Pixma TS3450 people are searching, how to use this printer, what, how, and you can search some question keywords like is, why my Canon Pixma is offline, something like this. And this is how you find keywords, right? Or simply you just add one asterisk here, or simply try to remove this word and you will see a lot of keywords. Or you can just type how, and now you can see a lot of keywords. How to connect Canon to Wi-Fi, scan it, how to do photocopy on this printer, how to change ink on this printer, how to copy on this printer, how to reset this printer, right? So you have now a lot of keyword that you can work on, right? So this is the method how you do keyword research and how you just filter out some more keywords. Let me show you a paid method, like using a paid tool. So I have this tool called SEMrush, and here I'm gonna go to this option called keyword magic tool, and from here let's see if we can find some keywords. Okay, so same thing I'm gonna do here. I'm gonna type Canon, or maybe I will just type printer, and I will just search the query from United States. Okay, so now you can see we have this all the keyword results are here. So in paid tool you have a lot of options, like you can see the keywords, some more keywords. You can also see the intent without just using your brain. You can simply just get the idea. This is a navigational keyword, this is transactional keyword, this is also a navigational keyword, this one is informational plus transactional keyword. And also you can see the volume, how many people are searching this particular keyword every single month, right? And we have KD section here. So KD is keyword difficulty, how difficult it is to rank on this particular keyword. So if you are planning to rank on this keyword like 3D printer and it has like 2 lakh volume, you cannot just simply rank on this keyword within a day or within a 2 day or within like a month or 2 months. It's gonna take 2 or 3 years or maybe more than that if you start from zero, right? Because the KD keyword difficulty is 96 out of 100. So this is very difficult to rank on this particular keyword if you have a small website. So I will just use some filters. So right now you can see I searched about printer. So there are keyword like printer, print, printing. I need exact keywords, right? Either I'm gonna choose this phrase match or exact match. What will happen with this setting is I will see only those keywords that has this word called printer, no printing, no print, something like this, only printer. Now we have some keywords. Now KD is still like 96 or something. What I can do, I can change the KD from here easily and make it 30. So like 30 KD is like okay, you can work on it if you are a new website or if you have a website that is 1 year old. This is completely fine. Now we have some keyword like printer stand people are searching, and it is a complete transactional keyword. If someone is searching printer stand, they want to buy a printer stand, simple. And 12,000 people are searching on an average. Now we have this KD is like 25. That means it is easy to rank. You just need some good quality content, some good backlinks, some good optimization, and that's all, right? And now you can see this CPC section here, 0.8 to 1.08. that means this is a USD, like $1 of CPC. That means if I start ranking on this keyword and if someone come to my website, they see ad on my website, they click on ad, I will get $1 for the click on the ad. Let's find some keywords I do not talk about 3D printers or printer stands, so I'm gonna ignore this keyword. Let's see. So here we have this option, like if I want to go directly to a 3D printer or HP printer or Canon printer, I can simply click here. So this is the benefit of having a paid tool. They make your work so easy, right? So yes, I talk about more Canon printers, not HP printers. So I'm gonna click on Canon printers. So now this time they will show me only Canon printer related keywords. Now let's see. Okay. So first one, it says Canon printer TS3322. It is informational plus transactional. Okay, and the volume is also good. Like for a beginning, it is a good, like 1300. Trend is also good. We'll talk about this trend thing. Keyword difficulty is also like 21, easy. CPC is also very good. If I rank on this keyword and people come to my website, I will get $1.22 for a click on my ad, right? Which is a good thing, very good, right? So this topic is good, I think. Let's see. Let's do a keyword research. So this is the printer, Amazon, Canon. Okay, so let's see what we can find. Same procedure I'm gonna apply. I will click on space and I will see a lot of keywords are here, right? Canon printer TS3322 ink, people are searching. Setup, people are searching, right? Connect to Wi-Fi, manual, ink cartridge, error code, troubleshooting, printer not printing, app, etc, etc. And let's see if people are searching review or not. Yes, they are searching about the review. Canon Pixma TS. Let me add a Pixma here. Let's see if this time it's Canon Pixma. Reviews. Okay, so they are searching the review of this printer. Let's see. PC Magazine is ranking, Amazon is ranking. Let me see what these websites do. So Amazon is showing only the review page, not the product page. PC Magazine is showing review of this printer. Okay, great. So yes, this is the keyword. This is the keyword which we will work for. I will copy this keyword and let's make a sheet. Simply I'm gonna delete this one, right? I'm not working on that particular printer because that one is like a latest printer and mainly on UK printer, so that is why I'm not working on that particular keyword. So I have this keyword, or I can work on that keyword also, it all depends. But this printer looks amazing. Also the price is like a very good, the price is like quite affordable. Let me see, 49, 39, 59, 69. Okay, so average price it is 96. Why I'm seeing the price? Because my website is all about affiliate also. If people come to my website, they see the review, like this website. You can see this website is talking about this printer, and you can see they are just explaining the pros and cons of the printer, some functions of the printer, and they have put a link here, buy from this website. So if I click on this website and if I buy from this website, whatever website it is, if I buy from this website, what will happen, that this website owner from where I click the link, they will earn some little bit commission. So this is how affiliate work, right? So this is an affiliate website, so that is why I was checking the price. Okay, now let's find some more keyword. Ink setup, ink replacement. Okay, so these are the keyword people are searching related to this topic. Okay, now we have the keyword, also it is like keyword difficulty is very low, but you also have to check it manually. Do not rely on any tool. Amazon is ranking, PC Magazine is ranking. Also you can use the tool that I have, I think, mentioned in the session, Moz tool, right? So with the Moz you can take an idea what type of websites are ranking on this particular keyword. So now you can see Amazon is ranking, the DA is 96. I cannot beat this website. 92. Now there is a website called Technology for You, and this is also ranking. Let me open this one. Again Amazon is here. Then this electronic mog, and they have this DA20, a new website, not that new but still similar to mine. So if this is the ranking here, I can also rank here, right? Also, let's see, 89 DA, 28 DA, best views, reviews.com something, 28 DA, 4493. Okay, let me see this one, 32 DA. Okay, so that means some easy websites are also, like new websites are also ranking on this keyword, so I can also rank it here. So my website DA is, I think, 12 or something. Let me see. At the top you can see with this toolbar here it says 13, so 13 DA. Yes, I can rank here. Also, let's see if this page was ranking on the third result of this keyword. Let's see why it is ranking, what they have unique, right? So they have this heading where they just put the keyword randomly. In the URL they have the keyword, and in the title, title is not optimized. Also the article is more like written by AI. That's all. Okay, so article length is so short, so yes, we can beat them. Let's try, right? So I make the list of keywords. So this is our first keyword. So now after doing brainstorming, we find keywords, right? And after finding some keyword, we list down some keywords and we just make a main keyword, right? Because main keyword is important. If I find these keyword, all these keywords are different. Here I'm talking about the review, here I'm talking about the ink, here I'm talking about the setup, here I'm talking about the wireless setup, that means Wi-Fi setup. So if someone is searching Canon Pixma XYZ model review, that means they want to get like an idea of this printer before buying it, right? And if someone is searching setup, that means they have already purchased it, right? So we have a list of keywords, and out of them you have to find your main keyword, right? You have this main topic, any topic you have to find out, and then you link all of these websites to each and other website. We'll talk about it, why do we link these websites, but yes, you have to find a main keyword. You do not have to get confused. You cannot create a different things. You cannot mention all of this thing on a same page, because if you mention all of this thing on a same page, that is completely okay, but logically you will see when someone is searching a review, they just want to get a review. They do not want to know how to do ink replacement on this printer, how to do Wi-Fi setup, because they have not yet purchased the product. So we have found our main keyword. This is our main keyword. Let me highlight this one. So first I will work on this one, right? Okay, so we have done the brainstorming. We find some keywords using the free and the paid tool, and we have also find a main keyword, right? Now we have to write a content, right? We have to write a content. We'll write an SEO optimized content. Now how to do SEO optimized content, we'll talk about it, but let's write a simple content, then we'll do optimization, right? So right now I'm gonna use AI tool to write an article, because I do not want to write the article in the video. It will take a lot of time. Okay, so I'll just use a ChatGPT, and I will ask the ChatGPT to be my SEO writer first of all. Okay, now what I will do, now I will simply ask to write me an article. I will ask write an SEO friendly blog post about Canon printer, which is like TS, what was the name of the model? TS, I think 3322 review. Make sure you list down LSI, very important, right? LSIs are like latent semantic indexing. You have to mention some related keywords, right? Some synonyms of the keywords, right? If I talk about printer, you talk about like cartridge, ink. These are the word that relates to this topic. Okay, LSI and important keyword also for this topic. Make proper headings and include LSI that you will find related to this topic in in articles, in article headings, right? Basically I want to tell ChatGPT to write me a blog post about this topic, which is Canon printer TS3322 review, and make sure you list down some LSIs because I don't want to do work, and if you are a good AI robo, just do work for me, right? LSI and important keywords for this topic. Make proper heading and include LSI that you will find related to this topic in articles heading. So I just asked ChatGPT to include those LSI that you're gonna find to my headings, right? Using like keywords, especially LSI in your headings, heading 2, heading 3, heading 4 is like very beneficial, right? I do not need a conclusion, so do not add conclusion, right? And what else I can ask? And first paragraph should be easy and catchy, right, to read. Simple, catchy to read. Try to use, I think casual tone will be good, because if he can write, if this tool can write in an article in a casual tone as a human, that would be good, right? So let's see, let's try it out in casual tone. Let me highlight this topic. Let's see what we get the result. Okay, these are the LSI keywords that they found, like affordable all-in-one printer, Pixma printer, Canon TS something. Okay, and here they are using these LSI keyword in this paragraph. Okay, good. And in this section this is using this LSIs. Okay, good, great. Okay, let's see how. Hey, they are printing pulse. If you are in the market for reliable printers, you probably heard about the Canon Pixma. Well, grab a seat. Let's dive into the nitty-gritty of this printer wonder. Sounds good to me. But yes, and do not just get an article from any AI writer like Jasper or ChatGPT or Bard AI and paste it to the website. This is not the method you have to follow. I'm just showing you for the demo, right? But get an idea from ChatGPT, get an idea from any tool like Jasper, Word AI, any tool, write an article from, ask them to write an article for you and optimize that article. Give it a human touch, right? That's all I will say. I'll copy this article and I'll go to Markdown HTML. So what is Markdown HTML? Is it converts the ChatGPT format to the normal format, because if you just copy the ChatGPT content and try to paste it, and they have this like dots, right? You have to remove all the dots. It will take a lot of time, so we have this tool called a Markdown to HTML. Just paste here, right, and it will convert it to a basic article just like this. Now we have this article. Let's see. I'll go to my website, and from my website I will just need a page or a post section, whatever you like. Just go to page section, post section, whatever you like. I'm gonna go to page section. I want to paste this article in a page section. You can paste in post section also. It's completely depends on you. Okay. So far we have discussed about finding a keyword, find a keyword, then find a main keyword, then list down some LSIs. You can find LSIs manually also. And how to find LSIs? Simply search this same keyword in Google, press spacebar, you will see some list of keywords, and then open any website, right? And from there you will find some lot of keyword. How you find a lot of keyword? Let me show you. If you want to find LSI without any tool, what you have to do, simply just type review your keyword and open the website, right? And now from here you can find some keywords. You can see like wireless all-in-one printer. This is an LSI. Pixma, right? Or technical support. Okay, Ink is also a good LSI, and from here you also can get some idea, right? Or you can simply take this, or you simply can take this idea from ChatGPT or Google Bard, right? So I use this default editor and I will paste the content. So this is my content. I will remove this title or this one, Canon Pixma TS something something review. This is my keyword, a comprehensive review. I'm gonna change it to a detailed review or just a detailed review, right? Like this, 2023. This is the introduction section. I will remove this part from here. This is heading 1. I'm gonna make it heading 2. And in heading 2 we have the keyword, right? Not the exact same keyword like Canon Pixma review, but we have the keyword, right? These are the LSIs that they have used, the ChatGPT used in this article. Setting up made easy. I'm gonna make it heading 2 again, or maybe heading 3. To heading 3. Okay, I did mistakenly heading 3. I'll remove this one. Okay, so we have this small article about this printer. Let's ask ChatGPT to write pros and cons about this printer. Affordability, user friendly. I'll just copy this and paste it here. And I pasted the pros and cons here. It's pros and cons. I'll make this one heading 2 and this one also heading 2. We do not need this pros and cons of this printer. I'll just make it cons and pros. I can also create a table, right? I can also create a table, but I just want to save some time. I don't want to make this video so long. Okay, in the summary, this is the summary. This is the pros and cons we have, and the basics of the printer, pros and cons, like, and the I can make it like features, right? And I'm gonna make it heading 2. These are the heading 3. Setting up is easy, performance, connectivity, budget friendly, etc. The verdict, the main verdict. Okay, now we need some images. Let's see. So always try to use copyright free images, but as we do not have a lot of time, so just let's copy video image from anywhere. Save image. Right, and let's use some more images. Okay, now I need to upload an image here. image, upload, desktop. This is these two images I want. Open it. So always try to optimize your image. How to optimize your image? Just resize your image, right? We'll just show you how to do. You can use plugin also, but so we have to update the alt text, also the name of this image. So I will just simply go to media library, and this is the image I'm using. I'll just change this title to, so what was our keyword? It was Canon Pixma something. Review. Okay, and let's upload the second one also, this one. I'm gonna make it review 2023, and in alt text, review of the review and unboxing. So you can just add anything in your alt tag, but make sure you describe the image. Right? Right. Try to make it different. I'll select this image first, right? And somewhere here I'm going to use another image. Okay, so I have the alt text with my keyword, which is this one, and the image. Great. Okay, so we have find the main keyword, which is done. Brainstorming of keyword, which is done. We have find the LSIs, and we have put this in our content also, right? And now we are trying to write a content. We took help of ChatGPT to write the content, and now we have to do SEO. So first of all, you have to do on-page SEO. You have to optimize your content. So how to do on-page optimization is, first of all, you have to change your meta title, add some keyword to your meta title, add some keyword to your meta description, add some keyword to your URL optimization, right? Add some semantic keywords which is related to your main topic. If I'm talking about printer, I will use some words like ink, cartridge, all-in-one printer, Wi-Fi setup, etc. Or maybe more keyword like Canon Pixma TS something. I can use something like wireless connectivity, or maybe Canon Pixma some printer and the all-in-one something. I saw it somewhere. Like this. If I go back, so this is also an LSI, right? Semantic keyword, Canon TS 3322 wireless all-in-one printer, the full keyword is, right? Okay, so let me click on publish once. Okay, now in the pages section here, from the here I can just optimize my URL. I'll click on my URL, and the URL is this. So this is my article here. I have published the article, as you can see, right? And this is my URL, and I can optimize this URL. How to optimize? I'll just go to this page section here. From the right hand side, I'll click on this URL option, Canon Pixma TS detailed review, or I'll just make it only review 2023. That's it. Okay, I'll not add anything else. So I have my keyword in a URL. I'm using rank math. I'll click on this edit snippet. Let's change the title. I'll change the title to unbox. No, I'm gonna make it detailed review, (2023), right? Or I can add something that can attract users to click on my website. What I can do, that's fine, right? So I have my keyword here, or I can just make it like this, review and 2023. That's it. I can do. I have my keyword here. So in description, let's make this worth it, or I can make it budget friendly because the printer is cheap. Best budget like this. Okay, in description I can ask ChatGPT, write SEO meta description, description for this article. I'll copy this and so length is like so big. So let's see what I can. Okay, so I have my keyword here, right? You can also directly put your keyword, but I have the keyword already here, so I'm going to remove this one. Okay, and I am focusing on this keyword. Let's see. So do not go to the numbers here, right? Do not rely on any tool. So everything is good, and the keyword length is 600 words, approx 700, which is good. Okay, I'll click on update. So far what we have done meta title, meta description, URL optimization. Semantic keywords are already there because of course ChatGPT did it for us. Image optimization we have done, and while uploading the image we have also added alt tag. Alt tag means you have to describe what this image is all about, and while describing that image you have to put your keyword in that, right? Okay, now everything looks good. Let me refresh this page. This is the URL now. Okay, this is the article we have. Now what we are missing, everything is meta title done, description done, URL done, this one too. Now most important part when you write an article is make sure you are satisfying the intent of the keyword, because if people are searching anything, if they are searching Canon Pixma review, so their intent is to find a review, to find a comparison, to find out the answer, if the printer is good or not, how strong it is, what the functionality this printer have, right, etc, etc. And if you are not satisfying their intent, you just written a content just to show them like this is a good printer, and that's it. You're not criticizing, you're not just pushing this content, you're not talking about some good or some bad part of this printer. That is not a review. This is not what the user is searching for, right? They want to know about this printer, right? And if you have knowledge, just post it on your website. And if you write in a keyword like Canon printer review and you start ranking, and when they open your page, what your users see is a buy page where they can buy the printer. But this is not what they wanted. They wanted a review, not to buy it, right? So make sure whatever content you write or whatever page you design on any keyword, make sure it satisfies the intent of the person who is searching this keyword. If I'm searching buy printer, I am not trying to open a page where I just read about the printer. This time I want to buy the printer directly. And if I search the review of the printer, that means I want a review of the printer. I do not want to buy it right now. First I need suggestions, I need review, right? Now, before we close this topic, we have to do one more most important thing, which is interlinking. Now, what is interlinking? Let me explain you what is interlinking. So interlinking is when you interconnect your topics, right? When you interconnect your topics, like you have a home page, in a home page you're talking about any topic, anything you're talking about, right? On any particular topic. So what you do, you interlink pages. And why and how interlinking is important? Because let me show you how to do interlinking. You create a home page. On the home page, you just show only second most important pages, right? Your home page is already the most important page, where you described about your business, about your company. This is my front page, this is what we do. Then we create about us page, contact us page. In the home page, try to list down, try to link the second most important pages, right? Like this. And when you do, you link this home page with this one, and you link this home page to second page. Same goes for third one, same goes for fourth one. When you link this website with your home page, and then in this page, let's suppose you have this shopping website. On the front page you have all the product listed, like clothing. Also in the one section you have clothing section. When you slide down, you have one more section where you talk about electronics, or you sell electronics, right? And we have like 4 categories: electronics, clothing, or anything like groceries, right? And some other product, right? So here in the, let's suppose this is an electronic category. Inside the electronic category, I created 2 more pages. In the first page, I talk about consumer electronics or student electronics, where like laptop, mobile phone, printer, etc, etc. Second one is like kitchen electronics, where we have fridges, AC, dishwashers, etc, etc, grinder. Second, we have second page. In the second page, we are talking about clothings. So in this clothings, we have shirts, and the second one we have jeans. Same goes for this one. We'll link this to this one, we'll link this to this one. Now why we are doing this? And we are not just linking this page to this one, but also we are linking this page to this one and this one to this one. They are interlinked with each other. This is called interlinking. And this page is also not just linked to this one, is not just linked to this one, but this page is also linked to this one, right? Like this, right? So this is called interlinking, right? So what is the benefit of interlinking? First of all, if the user come to your front page, they have the category option like electronics, shoes. Let's suppose you sell a lot of things. So whatever your main pages are, you're gonna list it to your front page, because the front page is the most important page where people mostly land, right? And you cannot just show each and every details on the front page. You have a lot of products, you have a lot of pages. So what you do, you make a category, right? When you make a category, either you make a category or you make some important pages, right? You sell 4 kind of products here: clothing, electronics, groceries, etc, etc. You create 4 second most important pages, and under that pages you create more pages related to that particular topic, right? And you do not link this one to this one, right? You do not link this one to this one, because here you're talking about electronics and here you're talking about clothing. Both are the difference, right? And what is the benefit of doing interlinking is by chance Google come to your home page and they are not able to discover this last page, this small page. They will go to this one, they will go to this one, they will go to this one also, this one also, this one also, maybe this one also, and they might just forget, they might just not find these two pages and they will not index it, because if Google bot cannot come to your pages, they cannot index it. So it's better to interlink them with each other. If by mistakenly, if the Google bot come to this page is already linked with this one, so it will go to this one also, and if this page is linked, this will go to this one also, and not just this one, they are interrelated to each other. All 4 pages are interrelated to each other, right? So this is the benefit of having a interlinking, right? So whatever your most important page is, link your all the second most important pages, then least most important pages at the end, right? So this is what your interlink means, right? So why do we create an interlinking? Also, it shows topical cluster. Now what is topical cluster? Is how knowledgeable you are on a particular topic. If you go to like Flipkart or Wikipedia, if I go to Wikipedia, now you can see their linking, how much they are linking to each and every page, right? If I just click on machine, it will send to a different page where they are talking about machines. If I go to carry out, it will send me to a different page where the carry out meaning in computer language is execution, right? Same thing if I go to machine, inside the machine if I go to the one more linking power, then again I'll go to physics, then again I go to matter. Can you see this like this thing, like how it is interrelated to each other? If I come to their website, I will just go to every single page. If I'm a Google, if I sent a bot to this website to scan this website, I'll see this, okay, they have link also, I'll go to this link, I will scan this page also, and suddenly I will click on any link, I'll go to that page also, I'll just keep crawling it, right? So it is so helpful to show the topical cluster, right? Okay, so we have to find some more related keywords for that, so that we can link it to our main topic. So our main topic is all about this printer, right? Review of this printer, and we have find some more keywords like Canon Pixma, ink setup, ink replacement, manual, etc., right? Let's find out a keyword, what people are searching with this keyword. How to find out? Go to Google, paste this keyword and add a star. So people are searching Canon Pixma, this ink replacement. What ink does Pixma, this printer, use? Or you can simply search in Google and you will see the websites. Okay, if I search only ink, that means people want to buy that ink for this printer, right? But I need question related keywords. Now you can see how to replace ink cartridge, how to change the ink on Canon Pixma MG. So this is a different model, we can also cover this one, but not right now. Or I will just remove this Pixma word, because not everyone will type this long name of the printer. How to change, how to refill ink cartridge. So this is a keyword. Setup. Right. I want question informational keyword, not transactional keyword, right? Setup wireless printer, how to set up Canon this printer. Okay, so this is a good one, because this is an informational keyword and this is what I want. For setup also we find a keyword. Ink replacement people are searching. Let's see what they are actually typing. Ink replacement, right? So if you search any keyword and you see the first result is video, first, second, third, that means people are more preferring to watch a video on this keyword. They are most searching this keyword on YouTube and they most prefer to watch a video with this keyword than to read an article. So you can just ignore this keyword also, but it all depends on you. I'm gonna ignore it. Manual. People are searching the manual of this printer. Let's see. Manual PDF. Okay. So people have uploaded the PDF from here, or I can just add an asterisk just to see what people, how to install this. Install Canon printer manual. Okay, so this is a good keyword. So these are my supporting articles, right, basically, which will help me to link to my first page. Wireless setup, right? Wireless setup people are searching. Let me see what they are searching. Wireless setup or Wi-Fi setup, both the terms are same. Wi-Fi setup, people are searching Wi-Fi setup. How to set up wireless Canon something, how to connect TS Canon printer to Wi-Fi, how to connect. Now the video is here. The first result is a video, right? Canon Pixma. Wireless setup. This is the good one already. Wireless setup. Error codes people are searching. Okay. Ink cartridge. I will not, just driver they are searching. So driver are basically software to run that particular printer or anything, any hardware. These are the keywords we have. We can just ask ChatGPT to write an article. Same thing I will apply. I will just simply use my same term here, and I will use my keyword. Let's see. Welcome to, let's take help of Google Bard. Okay, they are also providing us image. Nice. I'll just go to pages and I will add a new page. Paste the article. I will not optimize the article right now, right? I like removing these things, right, and adding images. I will not do it. I'll do it later, right? So I'm just trying to show you how to do, what to do. You write article, right? And after writing the article, let me go to home. So one more article is done related to my topic, which is Canon TS3322 according to this. Okay, now let me create one more page, and this time I will ask ChatGPT to write an article about this one. Now this article is all about how to set up. So 2 more articles done related to my topic. So how to do interlinking is simply I will edit my main article, and in this article, so this article is all about Canon PIXMA TS3322, and here the same article, but this time I'm talking about how to refill this printer, right? Refill a ink cartridge. So let's see how to do interlinking. This is my link, and here I'm talking about refilling the Canon. So if I'm talking about refill ink anywhere, let me see, I'll put my link there only, because it will be relevant, right? And if I'm not talking about refilling it, I can simply type about it, ink refilling, or I'll just type I can simply make it like this: read this guide to know how to refill ink on Canon TS3322, right? And on this word, like how to refill ink on Canon TS3322, I'm gonna put the link. I'll copy this link here and I'm gonna paste it here, and done. I put my link here, and when someone click on this link, they will go to this page, which is still my website but a different page, where I'm talking about how to refill it. So using a good anchor text is also an important part of SEO. With the anchor text, it tells Google plus the user what will happen if they click on this button, where they will go. They might gonna see some information about how to refill ink on Canon something, right? Okay, now let's add one more interlinking about how to set it up. Let's see if I'm using any word called setup. Yes, complicated setups, right? Okay, gets gold star for its user friendly setup. Okay, so I'm going to put a link here. If someone click on user friendly setup about this printer, they will see this article where I'm talking about how to set up Canon this printer, right? So I'll click on update. So we have successfully added some internal link on my website. Where is it? Here is it. Now if I click on this one, it goes to page number 2, right? Same we have to do interlinking, right? Now in this page, second page, how to refill page, I will just link my main page, this one, where I'm talking about the review. This is my page. I'll copy this page, and on this refill page, anywhere like from here, maybe I will paste the link. If someone click on this link, Canon TS3322, they want to see the review page of Canon TS3322. Same, I will link this page also, how to set up in this topic. Let me see if I'm using any setup word. No setup word. Okay. How to refill. Here I'm gonna edit. Read here to know how to set up TS3322, right? I will paste that setup link here. Click on update. Okay, so on this page I updated this one, my main page, review page, and here I put this setup page. So this page is refill page, but here I put the link of setup page, right? So this is called interlinking. You interlink each and other page which is related to each other. Now we have left with this final page. Let me just quickly, how to set up we already have. I'll go to back, how to refill page, and I'm using any word called ink only one time. Refill word, no refill word. So I will just simply put a link here. Learn to refill Canon TS 3322, refill Canon TS 22, done. And here on this word Canon TS, last time we put the link on this word Canon TS 3322, I'm gonna put on Canon TS 3322 printer also, right? So this is the URL and I will paste it here, update, done. Now we have linked our all the related page to each other, right? So this is called interlinking, right? Let me close all of this. Now final step, so far we have done this one is also done. We have find some more related keywords, done, right? Interlinking is done. Now we can provide some external link also. Let's suppose you want to tell Google that like there is a topic that I cannot explain, but there is some website that is already explaining that topic, or maybe I get an idea of this particular thing. Let's suppose I have this thing, and from where I get this idea, from this website. So you can just simply provide a link of that website, right? So providing an external link also good, but it should be related to your topic, right? For suppose computer with the latest version, USB cable, internet connection, Canon customer support. So I do not provide Canon customer support. I'll simply search in Google. So this is their official page where you can simply contact them to their contact support, right? Contact us button. I'll copy this page, I'll go back to my website and I will put a link, and this is an external link because someone will click on this link and they will go to complete different website. So make sure you change it to no follow, set to no follow, click on save, click on update. Same thing we have to do in all the pages that you have just created, right? So we have done external link also. Now we just need off page SEO, create some backlink and some technical SEO. We'll talk about it in part 2 of this video. And the final step, what you have to do now, you have to tell Google that we have now updated our website, we have now created one more pages on our website. So how to tell Google? Simply go to webmaster, or you can see this website, go to search console. So I have already added my website to search console. If you do not know how to add, simply go to search console, they will show you this option, paste your website here, click on continue, do your verification, they will ask you some little verification, and that's all, right? Now what you have to do, simply go to sitemaps, and whatever sitemap you have, just provide the new sitemap. So sitemap is kind of a map of your website. It helps Google to quickly and efficiently find all the pages and index it, right? Let's see. Okay, now I created a page. I'll go to page sitemap, I'll copy this URL. Now you can see I have the article here, TS 3322, ink cartridge, review 1, right? All the pages are here, and I will just submit it to Google. Click on submit. Okay. Also you can go to URL inspection, and whatever page you have created, copy the URL, go to your sitemap, paste the URL here, click on enter. Now it says this is a new website and the URL is not in the Google, right? So request indexing, yes, I want to request an indexing. I'll click on request. So this is like, it could index within an hour, within 2 days, within 1 week. It all depends on Google, no one knows. Okay, so they're testing my website if it is eligible for indexing or not. It will take some time. So yes, this is how you do. Okay, so it was added to our crawler queue, and crawler will come not today, maybe some tomorrow, or maybe after 2 hours, maybe after 2 days or 2 weeks, it all depends. And after that we'll see if the website is ranking or not, right? Right now you can see this website is not in the Google. If I search it in a Google, I cannot see page anywhere, right? We'll see it in a part 2. So yes, this is how you do SEO, this is how you do SEO, and now you just have to create backlinks on your page and do technical SEO optimization.